Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Alia Natasha binti Harif as CEO Manager.
Hi, my name is Siti Nadirah binti Mustafa Kamal and I as Financial Manager.
Hi, my name is Nur Atika binti Mansur and my position is as Administration Manager.
Hi, my name is Nurashikin binti Hanafi as Marketing Manager.
Hi, my name is Nur Alia Farhana binti Muhammad Fazli and my position is Operation Manager.
Hi, I'm going to explain the background of our company. We joined this business for years already. Our first store was opened in Ipoh, Perak. The second one is in Seri Manjung, Perak. Since the demand is higher than we expected, we are planning to open a new store in Sungai, Petani, Kedah. Next, the name of the business. Fresh and Sweet Smoothies Cafe. Why we choose this name as our business name? It is because we only sell and provide our services from fresh ingredients such as fresh fruits, and our main menu is all from the sweet of the fresh fruits. Next, industry profile. Our company involved in food industry. Today, in Malaysia, lots of sectors have contributed income for the country economy. One of the main industry that give a bigger contribution for Malaysia is business industry, as we can see nowadays. The industry in Malaysia is dominated by the food industry, as Malaysia is one of the countries that rich in raw materials such as meats, fishery, vegetables and fruits. Being tropical country is one of the advantage for Malaysia, since there are few of vegetables and fruits can hard to be found in other country that we can easily get in Malaysia. Since we use fresh ingredients, so it is easy for us to get stock. Last but not least, our location of the business. Our main store is at Block A5 Taman Perindustrian 32040 Seri Manjung, Perak. Our vision and mission. The vision of our business is to position ourselves as a premier, fresh and sweet smoothies cafe with a global presence. Next, for our mission is to provide new experience with our customers by serving healthiest, nutritious and the new taste of smoothies.
Okay, next is under product description. Did you know what is smoothie? A smoothie, often known as a smoothie, is a drink that made with a pure raw fruit and or with vegetables in a blender. A liquid foundation such as fruit juice or dairy products like milk, yogurt, ice cream, or cottage cheese is commonly used in smoothies. So for your information, smoothies high in protein and fiber that may even help you to lose weight by keeping you full. Smoothies may be the way to go if you are searching for a creative approach to increase your fruits and vegetable intake. Noom assists you in developing healthy behaviors that will allow you to lose weight and keep it off. So everyone need to try our best smoothies in our Fresh and Sweet Smoothies Cafe. So in our cafe, there are 5 main smoothies with the most delectable toppings and all of the sauces and the freshest and the most nutritious fruits. The range price of our smoothies is between RM7 ringgit until RM20 ringgit, depends on the flavor and the toppings that customer choose. Okay, as you can see, here is our menu of Fresh and Sweet Smoothies Cafe. The best seller smoothies are FNS Smoothies Pitaya RM12 ringgit, FNS Smoothies Berries RM12 ringgit, and the other smoothies are FNS Smoothies Orange RM7 ringgit, FNS Smoothies Banana RM7 ringgit, and FNS Smoothies Mango RM8 ringgit. And there are also many delectable toppings that you can choose like banana, berries, strawberries, peanut butter, biscoff, peanut butter sauce, chocolate sauce, and also honey sauce. And each of topping is RM2 ringgit. And all the ingredients we are using is the best with the high quality. Okay, how to discover our FNS smoothies? So you can walk into our Fresh and Sweet Smoothies Cafe at Block A5, Taman Perindustrian 32040 Seri Manjung, Perak. So what customer can get if they walk into our cafe? First, they can enjoy our contest to get the special dessert, but this limited time only. So what the terms and conditions to try this? The best deals give to the customer if 5 earliest customer that dine into our cafe and take a selfie or taking picture and upload it on Instagram with hashtag done with FNS Smoothies Cafe and also tag our cafe to get special dessert, but this is only available on weekends only. However, if the customer that craving our smoothies but cannot walk in, don't worry, because our cafe also provide delivery services, or you also can order through Foodpanda apps or GrabFood apps to try our smoothies.
Next, target market. We target all generation, especially younger consumer and young families. Malaysians are increasingly demanding products with lower level of sugar, salt, saturated fat and trans fat. Consumer Lifestyle in Malaysia, Euromonitor August 2014. First, taste and health attribute matter as well. Fresh, crunchy, and decent snacks resonate as the most essential taste. Further, in the snacks they eat to satisfy a demand and heighten the snacking moment for Southeast Asian consumers. Aside from freshness, the majority of consumers in the region place a high value on flavors and texture. Next, fresh snacks are the top choice. Southeast Asian consumers want fresh snacks with health and nutrition benefit, but they still want a treat now and then. Consumers in the region, on the whole, are rather healthy snackers with fresh fruit leading the list of the most popular snacks. Then we move to marketing strategy. In order to promote our fresh and sweet smoothies cafe, we are using a few standards of marketing, which are coupon. Customers can feel as if they got a good deal. Coupons are an appealing strategy to increase our volume and sales cafe. Incorporating them into marketing will help our cafe swiftly develop the customer base and temporarily boost the conversion rate. Next, buy two free one. Customers can take advantage of during a limited time offer. Our customer can get one free drinks with every purchase 2 drinks within the time promotion in our cafe. Basically, buy two free one will exist in our cafe on the special day such as Mother's Day, Father's Day and Valentine's Day. Next, endorsement. We also using endorsement marketing strategy to influence buyers favorably. This marketing also boosts our sales too, since endorsement are a type advertising that employs well-known persons or celebrities that have a high level of recognition and awareness among the general public that will attract other people to looking forward with our smoothies. Lastly, media social, centered on the creation of virtual communities that enable customers to express their desires. Social media marketing also one of the process of creating content to advertise our products on social media platforms. Therefore, we are using media social platform to enhance conversions and our smoothies exposure with the unique content that be adapted to the specific platform on which it is published.
Okay, next is financial analysis. This is Fresh and Sweet Smoothie Cafe pro forma profit and loss account for the year ending 1st January to 31st December 2021. In this pro forma, we can see that the total sales that we get for the last year is around RM450,000 ringgit. However, we expend almost RM148,300 ringgit, which it includes 3 parts, which are administration expenses, marketing expenses, and financial expenses. For administration expenses, we paid for salaries, rental, utilities, insurance, and other expenses, which if we total up the amount, we will get RM138,200 ringgit. Next, marketing expenses. We paid for advertising around RM7,300 ringgit and business card RM1,100 ringgit. The total amount for marketing expenses that we get is RM8,400. For the last part is financial expenses that we only paid for depreciation, which is RM1,700. Net profit before tax is RM301,700. When we deduct the amount with corporate tax, which is 24%, we get the net profit after tax is RM229,292.
Okay, now we move on to pro forma balance sheet as at 31 December 2031. First and foremost, we have to calculate the total of assets. There are two types of assets, which are fixed assets and also current assets. The fixed assets, which are furniture and equipment, machines, vehicle and also less depreciation, while the current assets, which are inventory, account receivable, deposit and also cash. The total of fixed asset amount is 240,000, while the total current assets amount is 173,000, and we sum up and get the amount of RM413,000. Okay, we continue with equity and liabilities. The equity consists of owner's equity and also accumulated profit, and we get the total amount of equity is 349,292, while the liabilities consists of two different types of liabilities, which are long term and also short term. The long term consists of loans and hire purchase, while the short term consists of account payable and also overdraft, and we get the total liabilities is 63708, and we sum up all together and get the total equity and also liabilities, which is RM413000. Now we take a look about pro forma cash flow statement for year ending 1 January until 31 December 2031. For the first month, we got the total of cash flow is 4050, and then followed by February 1750, March 3650, April 2450, May 4350, June 3200, July 4000, August 3500, September 2200, October 1500, November 700, and last one December 1500. November has the lowest total amount of cash flow because the amount of revenues is quite high compared to January, which get the total of cash flow is the highest, but the revenues is quite low. Overall, we get the total amount of cash flow is about RM33550 for 1 year.
Last but not least, under financial analysis is financial ratio of Fresh and Sweet Smoothies Cafe. The return on equity for our business is 0.66%. We indicate that our business managed to generate 66 cents for every RM1 that provided to our business. Next is current ratio. We get 7.30 times, indicating that our business is able to pay RM7.30 for every RM1 for our short-term liability. The third financial ratio is quick ratio, which we get 5.91 times, meaning that our business is able to pay RM5.91 for every RM1 of our short-term liability without relying on liquid current asset. And the last one is debt ratio, which is 0.15%. 0.15% of our fund comes from debt, while the balance represents our capital for the business. I think that's all from our group. We hope that the discussion of our business plan managed to get the loan that we apply for, so that it can help our business to run smoothly. The loan that we apply also can help us to cover the cost to upgrade our business. That's all from us. Thank you.